All right, the vinyls are set in. We installed them. Here's Grigor's, and then here's mine. I don't know. It's kind of a whack job in my opinion, but it's our first time doing it. Well, my first time. He's done it in the past, so I don't know what's your excuse.
I don't know, honestly.
Well, I don't know. We might change you, might get replacements, but for now, I think it's fine. So if you guys are wondering what RevoBeard is, because why are we installing these vinyls on our car? Well, it's a product. It's a product me and Grigor created. It's a beard template. It's right over here. So it's one day I came to work. We used to be lifeguards. I came to work. I tried to line up my beard the night before. I completely messed it up. I botched it. I like went too high up here, too low here, and then I come to work and he's like, "Bro, it's a horrible, like what you do to your beard. It looks horrible."
It looked like steps, like this, zigzag.
Yeah, it was really like, cause I tried lining up my beard because I know like a nice fresh beard looks good, and I couldn't do it. And I kind of felt embarrassed, and
And I always had that problem before. Like a few times I went to the barber and I did it, but I always had that problem. So I thought maybe other people have this problem too.
yeah, and then going to the barber, like it's like over here, it's like actually like 12 or 15
I
bucks
paid
to,
30 bucks for my cut, and then if you want the beard, it's another 10. So 40 bucks.
and then from what I've read too is facial hair is the fastest growing hair on your body. It grows faster than your head too. So if you're paying 10 or 15 bucks for a beard line at a barber, that adds up because your beard's gonna grow in about a couple of days and you're not gonna look good. So we decided to make a beard template so you could do it at home, and it kind of gives you that confidence and that guide to help you shape your beard. So over here, it's kind of hard to see with the camera, but you're gonna put it on your face. So what Grigor's gonna show you guys.
Basically, this product serves a lot of functions. The first one is a curve cut, which is what most people have. So you just put it on your face, and then you could use your razor, your clipper, whatever it is, trim along the lines. If you're one of the dudes that like it more straight, this is the step cut. So you could, again, put it on your face, trim up, and then if you want a clean neckline, because that adds a lot of symmetry to your beard, just put it on like this, and then just shave, shave, shave. Go on the other side, shave, shave, shave. And there's a lot of straight edges that you can use on the sides or wherever you want to use. So it's one product, but it pretty much helps you completely throughout your beard. On this line, on the neckline, on the back side. So
Yeah, and then we have our journey towards making this product and
yeah,
launching it and advertising it and just our whole like journey together. There's a lot of interesting stories that happened. There's a lot of challenges that we went through that we share to other people. We tell them, we help our friends or our family who were going through similar issues.
and keep in mind, we were both undergrads at the time. We never had any business experience, didn't have much money to work with. So any of you guys there that have an idea, that think you're onto something good, don't be let down by thinking, oh, you know, who am I to do this? I don't have enough money. Because if you really believe in it, then you could pull in strings to get what you need done. So whether you're an undergrad, whether you're not, doesn't matter. Don't ever limit yourself, because there's so much endless possibilities out there.
Yeah, I mean, this isn't like a $1 million idea or anything, but it's just it opened it opened doors for us. It opened our eyes, opened our brains to see opportunity growing up, and now as we learn more as we go. So this is something both Grigor and I are very proud of, and that's why we got vinyls on our car, because we want to showcase what we're offering, as well as it's more of a personal accomplishment for each of us.
It's like a trophy. Yeah, and
Yeah, so if you guys are interested in buying the product, I don't mind. I could give like a discount code or free shipping. I'll put the link in on the description below. But overall, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys want to hear more about the stories of how we made this, or how we came about this, or any challenges we went through, just let me know in the comment section, and I'll get Grigor and we'll talk more about it. All right, thanks for watching. See you.